Know the fifth factory of GAC Honda. It is the first Honda in the world. Dedicated production plant for pure electric. The main thing is to make ordinary sheet metal, instantly deformed under enormous pressure, transformed into an integral part of the car. Open car's magical journey from raw materials to cost. What about a lot of digital devices? Let our stamping keys achieve high quality, more efficient formability of our stamping keys. Reach the highest standard of Honda in the world. What about our stamping keys? Mass adoption of global intelligence. Advanced manufacturing technology. Yes. First enter our master production line recently. What about this sheet metal? Through our stamping accident line. After stamping step by step, finally realized. The whole line has 5,800 tons of stamping tonnage. Don't look at it big, but very fast. A stamping key can be produced every 3.75 seconds. The warehousing of this part for general stamping. I'll use hand forklifts. But this time we adopt new intelligent manufacturing technology. We built a dedicated intelligence three-dimensional warehouse. As for the parts, it can be 100% automatic special box. Then with the help of our heavy-duty AJV equipment, accurately delivered to this one next to us. Intelligent three-dimensional warehouse. This warehouse is as high as 7 floors. The size of 6.5 basketball courts. Unlike a big supermarket full of parts. Then automatically send the accessories needed later. The opposite side is actually this three-dimensional warehouse. This volume is not small. If I stand under him, I can't see the top. Mr. Yuan. Meeting transformers is transforming coolly. Every part can be very precise, solidly welded together. Doesn't it look spectacular? This is spectacular. And each robotic arm does its job. Jingran is interesting. An advanced car manufacturing plant. Welding workshops are often extremely demanding. Automation rate. This will ensure combining parts with different industries, welded together, assembled into our bones. That's the body in white. The whole car will be applied on a large scale. High-speed robot. Among them are agency. Welding speeds up to 100 millimeters per second. 10% above the industry average. 100% automation of welding. Then the first. Smart AGV equipment. 100% automation of logistics and transportation. What about the third one? We are mass adoption. Realize like our side circumference? Our bonnet. Weight. These medium and large items. 100% automated pickup installation. If you do, like the fiery eyes of Sun Wukong, won't miss a single flaw. Make sure every solder joint is accurate. A car for every user. With the most powerful customers. AI detection technology for welding. What are the relevant factors in the whole welding process? Adaptive control. Like stress, electricity, etc. After welding. Do you also need to perform AI inspection on the solder joints? Pass. Consumer car safety. Safety performance is higher than the average of the ranks. Strong bones for strength and dryness. Is to ensure back to Honda vehicle handling stability. Friends, we have now come. So many different colors of car paint. In the end, how is it achieved in the production process? In the paint shop, we'll give them a protective coating. And different colors of paint. Give the car a colorful look. It also protects the vehicle. Enhanced corrosion resistance and wear resistance. Resist external erosion. In the paint shop. Driven by mechanical operation. Slanting into the liquid and jumping rapidly. This will make the layer more cohesive. And more importantly, the use of a notice allows. Indeed, our pre-processing. Adopt a detailed process. Compared with the traditional Lotus craftsmanship, our layers have stronger adhesion and more environmentally friendly. Then cooperate with our Gaoyong Rabbit. Emergency electrophoretic coating process of LUS, the first step to a good body stove. Spray that sealant again to prevent this body from leaking. Then we use a fully automated gluing process. Using the industry's most advanced battery and the gun system, combined with visual positioning system, precisely locate the gaps in our body. Accuracy can reach 0.5 millimeters. Effectively realize the waterproofing of the body. Then we can spray our color. Okay, what about our workshop? Ads with more than 20 appearance colors. You can understand that there are more than 20. Body makeup? And there's a two-tone clothing line. Look at this, it's purple now. Then we can spray it black when we open it. This is the two-color clothing line. Through our advanced bead color change system, can meet the individual needs of users. Realize the color number, freedom. At the same time, we also have a 2K, an advanced craft of relatives. Let the gloss of our body. Smoothness increased by 30%. Not only looks very advanced, and also effectively improved our pore resistance 3 performance. So just now I guess you took a look. Our car paint, it's really delicate, and I touched it too. It's delicate to the touch. We all know that in fact. Then we use the most advanced. The whole process of waste treatment, including the use of the birth process of water-based environmentally friendly 3C2B, and wet and dry eruptions, and at the end we concentrate and turn. It's all handled by TOL. Recycle all the exhaust gas generated by our painting. Purification, so what? We put our whole coating environmentally friendly intelligence to a whole new level. All kinds of parts are like Lego, precisely assembled. After a series of complex and orderly operations, a complete car is taking shape here. Be the real car we finally see. In the terminal workshop of the auto industry, generally, this. Due to the complex process of the terminal workshop, so the automation rate, the industry average is about 10%. Our automation rate has reached 30%. 3 times the industry average. And the application of intelligent logistics equipment. Visual technology implementation of parts without reception. Automatic disassembly. Guided more than 210 smart ATVs. Automatic sorting of parts. And delivered to the appropriate station. Efficient logistics. And some big ATVs. Responsible for important assembly like chassis assembly. And the assembly of our electromagnetic packages. They can be based on different models. Process arrangement and production requirements. Quickly and flexibly adjust work routes. Greatly improve the working spirit of the production site. Activity and stability. With AI Smart Camera Breakthrough Point. High Precision Tightening Tool. Come help us with our work. Automatic installation of digital tailgate. Automatic tightening of full suspension screw fan. Even as small as a sealed cross hole. Automatic installation is possible. So with the ATV Smart Car, we can realize unmanned logistics. Improve the efficiency of logistics. Okay, assemble levels one by one. In fact, it looks very, very rigorous. And just now, Wang Ben, the minister, also said that there are also AI judge. Then the next vehicle will come out soon. Of course, before the appearance. A series of tests. So what tests are we going to do? The intensity can reach every hour to 1,075 millimeters, equivalent to the torrential rain and precipitation brought by the strong typhoon crossing the border. The manipulator in the back section simulates the user's daily life. Car wash scene of high-pressure water gun. Some are out of the rain, but through the waiting road. It will soak in the place where the daily car wash will be washed again. Perform high-pressure water flow tests, all round to ensure the tightness of this vehicle. GAC Honda. The medical standards for vehicles are very strict. We think only the harsher the test environment, quality can be slightly guaranteed. Yes. Before we give birth, there are also more than 400 dynamic and static tests, such as detection in our intelligent field. Detection that cannot be located. Automatic headlight detection. Chassis automatic detection, etc. And developed 10 intelligent modules such as quality equipment. Well, through the cloud. Just like teamwork between people. Through IoT, more than 900 sets of machines can also talk to each other. Exchange. Realize intelligent scheduling of production logistics. At that time, a new factory will be ordered to produce. What about the user of the model? Can be widely. Not long ago, GAC Honda releases plan to go far with heart. Committed to creating a smarter, greener and more efficient GAC Honda pair. Responding to a greener corporate approach. What about our new factory with extreme green? The goal of extreme zero carbon. Guaranteed to be 100% environmentally friendly, low volatile paint. Second, the whole process of production in our new factory. Significant optimization of related eco-friendly paper sheets. Emissions per unit area of the microsystem. Microfee. In addition, the new factory improves energy throughout the process. Utilization efficiency, like 100% clean electricity. The annual power generation of solar energy is 22 million kilowatt hours, 50% of total production and employment. Also updated with energy-efficient grade equipment. Make full use of the waste heat of production. Not only make users the most assured, the healthiest and most environmentally friendly car, fulfill the responsibility of environmental protection. This industry is a long-term asset-heavy industry. No matter how times change, quality is always the most concerned about users. The most important areas for cycling. We believe that good quality is made. The new factory is fully shipped to Honda Global. Experience and wisdom from more than 30 four-wheel related factories, combined with the latest domestic, digital and intelligent technology and equipment. The world's first Honda. The production line of the new pure electric car. It brings together more than 30 global leaders, more than 50 domestic leaders, nearly 60 Honda world firsts. Technical process of secondary application. We are not afraid to spend time on quality grinding. All models go into production, have to go through a full production line. Trial to verify the durability of the vehicle and parts. Reliable shock absorption. Triple height test.